Guys, with some massive fundamental catalysts in the works for crypto and especially Dogecoin, I believe that Dogecoin will escalate and rise to heights that we have never seen before. With some incredible news that I'm going to be sharing with you today, you're not going to want to miss this. And I'm also going to be doing a technical analysis to see if Dogecoin is headed up or down. That'll be towards the end of the video, so you're going to want to stick around. What's up guys, my name is Joel and I'm an expert at technical analysis. With 13 years experience, I call out huge plays and I'm very accurate, as you've seen in my previous videos. If you haven't joined my Patreon already, you're going to want to do that by checking it out in the top pinned comment. It's incredibly cheap and invaluable. With my buy and sell trade alerts, I let you guys know when I'm buying at the dip, since I watch the charts throughout the day for that. And then I let you guys know when I'm selling, when we've made big profits, so you guys can sell as well. So congratulations to everybody who's been taking my buy and sell trade alerts, because we've made a lot of money. Also, if you haven't joined my 100 Doge giveaway yet, you're going to want to do that by subscribing, ringing the bell, smash that like button, comment anything down below, and follow my socials in the top pinned comment, where I'm going to be announcing one lucky winner when we hit 2,000 subscribers, which is just right around the corner. Guys, do you think this week we'll see a lot of green days or red days? Personally, I believe we'll have some massive green days this week, but let me know your thoughts down below. With some massive news coming out of El Salvador, they're looking to be the first country to actually adopt Bitcoin as legal tender. Guys, this is huge. What this means is, with the government recognizing Bitcoin and accepting Bitcoin, one of the reasons they're considering it is because their inflation rate is so massive in El Salvador. If they have Bitcoin as the #1 currency, that won't be any inflation, and people won't have to worry about losing the value of their currency. If this is successful with El Salvador, it is highly likely that other countries will also start accepting Bitcoin as their #1 currency. The inflation rate in the United States has nearly tripled since just 2020. This is causing us to jump into crypto. It's causing the smaller retail investors to put their money into crypto and have more confidence in that than even the US dollar. So think about El Salvador and other countries where their currency has almost gone down to zero because there is so much printing and other problems within that country. When countries print and print and print and governments keep printing money and currency, the value of the currency just keeps plummeting. Once these countries take Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies as their #1 currency, what's going to happen is there's going to be other cryptocurrencies that take the #1 spot, that have the second spot, the third spot. And what that's going to do for Litecoin, Dogecoin, and others is it's going to allow them to move up and allow them to also be accepted by different governments around the world. Once again, this is just a reminder, a friendly reminder that cryptos are still in their infancy stages and still have so much more incredible growth to go. And it's still a great time to get into cryptos, especially Dogecoin. People in other countries are very upset to see their hard-earned money go to nothing. This way, if they put their hard-earned money into cryptos, they can have confidence that it will maintain its value. And that's why we're seeing such a high usage in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies in other countries already. So guys, when we look at our fear and greed index, it shows us that fear and greed has gone up, unfortunately, and this is due to Elon Musk's tweet yesterday. Elon Musk tweeted out, and that caused Bitcoin to go down just when it was about to surpass $40,000, which really upset some people. And like I said, when Bitcoin goes down, it generally affects the rest of the market, causing it to go down as well. Now, what we have seen though is, in that situation before, Dogecoin still maintained its stability, which is an incredible reminder that with Elon Musk behind it and everybody behind Dogecoin, it has a lot more power than a lot of other cryptos. But with all the fear and greed and all of the sell-offs, just remember it gives you that dip. And that's when I let you guys know on my Patreon, it's time to buy that dip so you can rake in the profits shortly after. And guys, if you don't yet have a platform to trade on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the description below, because if you use that link and you deposit $100 or more, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $3,000, which you can liquidate, send straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with. And guys, when we look at our altcoin season index, we see that we're very high in the season, which means that Litecoin and Ethereum are going to surge very soon. With little pit stops here and there, our bull run is not finished. That is completely healthy for a bull run. You need pit stops, you need those corrections and retracements and cool down periods so that we can get right back on track where we started. When cryptos pump much faster than they have in the past, there's going to be a much more severe cooldown period. It's completely normal. These corrections can last days, weeks, months, but just have confidence that the crypto market will go right back up. You never want to sell lower than you purchased for, and that's what I help you guys with on my Patreon to make sure that doesn't happen. Expect to see a huge blast off and huge green days just within the next week. Don't be surprised if you wake up and Bitcoin has already surpassed 40,000 or Dogecoin has already surpassed 50 cents. It is not surprising. And when that happens, you're gonna have FOMO. It's completely normal, and you're gonna wish you got in when the price was lower, just like I'm telling you guys to. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's simply my opinion based on my software and experience. And guys, just as I spoke about yesterday with our symmetrical triangle pattern that we see right here, this is not something you often see. This is very rare, and this is a very bullish symbol. That consolidation and that trading sideways generally happens right before a huge breakout. Guys, I believe we'll be breaking out upwards. Do you think we're going to be breaking out downwards? Let me know your thoughts down below. Now, if the Asian marts start buying in the middle of the night and our tech sector starts to bounce back hard, that's when you'll see Dogecoin hit massively with a huge pump. Guys, I believe we will break 40 cents just within the next week. Possibly 50 cents. So guys, if you want Dogecoin to hit the moon, smash that like button. It really does help out the channel. Also, if you haven't joined my Patreon yet, it's incredibly cheap and it's in the top pinned comment where I let you guys know when to buy at that dip since I'm watching the charts throughout the day. And I also let you guys know when I'm selling when we reach our peak so you guys can rake in the profits just as we've been doing on my Patreon. So congratulations to everybody because we've been making a lot of money. Where I'm going to be announcing one lucky winner when we reach 2,000 subscribers, which is just right around the corner. Guys, thank you so much for watching my daily Dogecoin uploads, and I'll see you in the next video.